What's up, gamers? It's me, Aces here. Today I'm gonna show you some badges. Today I'm gonna first show you this badge. This one. Basically, you just go into here and then you just go there, and that's all it. And then you'll get the badge. So yeah, that's how you get the golden badge. So yeah, so I'm gonna show you the badges that I got. Just in here, I'm just gonna show you. Hold on. Yeah, this is a badge that I got. I got this badge, so yeah. I'm just going here and get it. You can see when there's so many badges, when there's a badge. Oh wait, yeah, I forgot. This was like a old game. And I was and and I was playing this when this was old, and yeah, I was trying to get here, but I can't. 'Cause I keep being oofed. So I can't. So yeah, this dot dot. Okay, is that it? So yeah, I'm gonna show you the badge that you've got. So yeah, I never got where's the place, so I'm just gonna go find. Oh wait, yeah, and I'm gonna show you this badge. I'm gonna show you this badge because I already got that badge. So yeah, so you might be want to be a night guard for this. Then you might need a flashlight. Or there you don't need flashlight. But and but if you don't see any super dark, then you need a flashlight. Yeah. So just right went in there and then into the books. Then you see that thing. You will don't see that, but you will see this heart. But you will see this red thing, and you see that heart. So just go step on it, and yeah, you'll get that badge. That badge. Yeah. So yeah. So I'm going to find some other badges to show you where. And even now you need. And even now I have. I know there's a badge here that is over here. Yeah, so that's how you get a badge from there. Yeah, and I forgot all the names of the badge. Yeah, I almost forgot that name. I forgot all of the name of the badges. So yeah, you see badges over there. Okay, let me see this. This is where you get the golden badge. You will get this badge, the 1M badge. This is not a 1M. So it says you 1M from that part, and yeah, so it says 1 million for what? 1, and if you put a M is for 1 million. M is for million. So this is that. Yeah, so, and let me see this. Oh, yeah, I don't have those badge. No, this no, it's not there. Yeah, and then you get this badge and then here, and then you get this Heart Freddy badge. This looks like a Heart Freddy badge, but I called it Heart Freddy. Because I didn't know this name, so I called it Heart Freddy. And then perform mask. Oh, mask can perform what happened. Okay. Those are creepy. Yeah, get jump scared. This wow. This is how you get the fetch badge. So yeah, just go over there to see this one. Made it! I almost made it! Dang it! I almost made it. And what's that? You get that, and then you go right about see, and then you will see that. Then you will get a badge. Yeah. Let me see this one. And even I know I have a FNAF 8R badge, so yeah. So I know I have this badge, and yeah. It's like a frost, like a snow balloon boy, snow boy balloon boy. But it's made out of ice. This is made out of ice and there's snow. I call this the icebreaker. This is balloon boy, and yeah, I call this the icebreaker because this is like this. This is look like a weapon. Because balloon boy's balloon is look like a weapon now. This is frost. So deform and twitch. That would be annoying. Number one, okay. Turn off number one and turn off number two. Yep. Okay, that's the sound. Hey, oh, where do you get that badge? How do you get that badge? I want to get that badge. How do you get it? So yeah, guys, I don't know how to get that badge. So I'm just going to do this bit. No one can see me here. No one can see me here. They can only see this spike. And this is a good hiding place because they will think this is a badge. They'll see it's a rainbow. That was a good hiding place for this badge. Yeah. How did I get this badge? Girl. This guy says girl. Oh, that's annoying. Good job. I know how to get that badge now. Right. So you need to just go in the part and servers room and then get this, and then you got that badge this badge, yeah, that badge. And I don't know, and I didn't saw that. That was the badge for what I needed. No badge there. Wait, and no badge even there. Bye. Attack. So that's weird. So this is a perfect hiding spot if you are this guy. So yeah. Where just go here and then turn off the. They will think this is a badge. No, but it's not, guys. So yeah, I'm gonna reset that. You can see the phone. So yeah, so that's how you get that badge. Orange badge now. These are the events. Super glitchy, guys. So I get this badge. I don't know. I don't know how to read. I only know how to spell FNAF. Form. Which I remember to get that badge, but that's only from the old game. Yeah, I'm gonna get you. Tell me where's the other badge that I know. Where is he? Sorry. I don't know. I'm gonna get this. Where's it? Even I need to be a person who do this, and I know about that. So yeah. And then you get a card. Goodbye. So yeah, let me try doing this. This doesn't work because it's only working over there. Look at this. And you need to go from this corner and then this is a perfect hiding spot, and then you can get the that badge. So yeah. So that's all. Thank you for thanks thank you for watching. Peace out.